Morning, everybody. We have been studying about the money and credit. We take loans. So there are two types of sectors which provide loan. That is formal sector and informal sector. First, we are going to study about the formal sector. Formal sector simply means we are going to talk about banks. This credit is provided by banks and cooperatives. You can say cooperative societies to the borrowers. So in your local areas, you must be having Bank of Baroda, you must be having SBI and some other cooperative banks. The Reserve Banks of India, the Reserve Bank of India supervises the functioning of formal sector. It periodically, means time to time, checks the interest rate and other details of the source. Means you can say that the borrowers, and one is the borrower and one is the depositor. So from where these banks, societies get money, which person has deposited how much money and what they have given to the creditor. Proper terms of credit like collaterals, documentation, rate of interest, and mode of payment are followed in the formal sector. Means when the bank is going to provide you a loan, they are going to ask you for some collateral or some documentation. Means people take loan on their home loan. So simply means the property, the papers of their home has to be deposited to the bank. Then interest rate, how much interest are they going to give, or how much interest you agree with. Then the payment, the mode of payment, means when you have to repay the loan, how are you going to repay? By monthly mode, quarterly mode, half-yearly mode, or yearly mode. They provide cheap and affordable credit with common terms of credit for all. They charge less and affordable affordable. They charge less interest rate as compared to informal sectors. Now let's look to the informal sector. Informal sector, when you talk about formal, you talk about banks and cooperative societies. When you talk about informal, it is simply means it is not related to banks or cooperative societies. This is the other sources from where you can get money. It can be your friend, it can be your neighbor, it can be some money lender. This credit is provided by traders, money lenders, employers, relatives, friends, etc. There is no government or private organization which provides or supervises the informal sector loans. So there is no monitoring on this sector. Terms of credit are flexible for the personal benefit of the lender and pitiable condition of the borrower. Means the lender sees the conditions of the borrower, how deadly or how he needs the money. According to him, according to his demand, he charges interest rate. They exploit the borrower for their own benefits. Their rate of interest is much higher than that of formal sector. Means when the banks give loan, they charge 7%, 8% accordingly. But when you take the loan from informal sector, you must be aware that people ask 2%, 3% per month. Okay? Bank gives you 7%, 8% per year, but informal people, they ask loan per month. So people who take loan from informal sector, they get into a debt trap, in debt traps, and sometimes when they come under a great debt traps, they commit suicide.